Welcome back to DLM Campervans. Today we have a low mileage 2022 pre-owned Transit Connect with our mini T conversion. On the roof you find solar, over the antenna, max air fan. Inside you find refrigerator, 2000 watt inverter, sink, bed. It folds up into a couch. Privacy curtains, TV DVD player. This Transit Connect has the hinged rear doors, also has hitch, shore power plug. The hinged doors allow for one door to be open at a time for a little more privacy and still get some nice ventilation. Find all the details on our website, dlm-distribution.com, or give us a call, 507-382-9446 or 651-285-7089. Happy camping!